my goodness, that is a strut across the living room like I've never seen before. Okay, hey, Jared, she's doing the dance show. Okay, leave her alone.
I'll give my dance show for everybody.
Sweetheart.
We do it, you dance show with me. Alright, I'm out.
Do
your dance show.
Whoa! Easy.
Jaren, let her do her dance show.
Come here. Let's see the dance. Jaren, come over here and watch the dance show.
Jaren, stop. Jaren, stop.
Come here, Jaren. Jaren, come here. Come here.
Okay, do your dance show.
Let sister do her dance show, bud. Come here. Come here. Come here, Jaren. Jaren, come here. Come here, bud. Jaren, do you want to spank him for not listening? Come here. Okay, continue the dance show.
Oh, good job.
That was a really good dance show. Oh, wow, what a great bow. What a great bow.
That was you, Jaren.
You got a dance show, Jaren?
Hey, give us a ninja show. Show us your ninja moves. That's pretty good. Oh, wow, that was a good punch. Do another punch.